Ever pondered what the future holds for technology and blockchain? In a world fueled by innovation, the answers lie at the intersection of imagination and expertise. Welcome to the realm of Hashnet-tech. Imagine a bustling city with millions of transactions happening every second. Now, imagine each transaction being secure, efficient, and transparent. That's what Hashnet-tech achieved for one of the busiest metropolises in the world. Their innovative solution? A blockchain-based system that revolutionizes how transactions are processed. This system, unlike traditional methods, provides real-time updates, ensuring absolute transparency. Not only did it facilitate transactions, but it also resulted in significant savings for the city, proving that technology and fiscal responsibility can go hand in hand. But don't assume that Hashnet-tech is a one-trick pony. Oh no, they are continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of technology. From developing state-of-the-art IT projects to creating blockchain solutions that transform industries, Hashnet-tech is at the forefront of technological advancement. Their commitment to excellence is not only evident in their innovative solutions, but also in their dedication to sharing knowledge. They believe that the future of technology is a collective journey, and are committed to playing a pivotal role in shaping it. So, if you're intrigued by the endless possibilities of blockchain and technology, there's a world waiting for you to explore at Hashnet-tech. Dive into their projects, learn about their groundbreaking solutions, and witness how they are shaping the future. Because at Hashnet-tech, the future is not just something to predict, it's something to create.